guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried green tomatoes. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Fried green tomatoes, you guys. Fried green tomatoes. Let's see how these joints taste. It's a 10. Hey. Look. So all you're gonna need to make your fried green tomatoes is the veggie fry made by House of Autry. Just egg, or you could use the regular egg, but I use just egg in my video because I'm doing the vegan thing, and a green tomato. Now after slicing your tomatoes, we're going to go ahead and batter these. Actually, we're going to double batter these because don't nobody want no soggy fried green tomatoes. I'm sorry. You're going to first coat them in the veggie fry. Next, you're going to dip them into the egg wash. And then you're going to coat them again in the veggie fry. And placing these on a plate. After coating all your tomatoes, go ahead and preheat your deep fryer on 375. And here's what they should look like. Now that the oil is hot, we're going to go ahead and place a few in the basket at a time and cook these for about 3 minutes. Now that these are ready, we're going to place them on a drain rack. If you don't have a drain rack, you can also use a plate, put some paper towels on it, and drain the oil off that way. Because you know how we do, y'all. And we're going to repeat this process until we fried all the tomatoes. Now that these are all done, plate them and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. See you next time. Bye.